How to create a navbar using HTML and CSS. Open versus code, click Open Folder, and create a new folder and name it Navbar, and select this folder. Now create HTML and CSS file. Now write HTML boilerplate code and link CSS like this. Now create a nav tag. Inside it, create an unorder list with your navbar items. In style.css, give basic styling and set margin and padding 0. Set a background color for the navbar and give padding 1 rem. Style the list items, list style type, none, margin, 0, padding, 0, display, flex, justify content, space around. Next, let's style the links inside the navbar. We'll set the text color to white, remove the underline, add some padding, and create a hover effect. And that's it. We've created a simple and clean navbar using HTML and CSS.